Hello friends. So in this video we'll discuss about three trading view indicators which we have developed, which we are using for positional trading, swing trading. It is we don't use it for intraday trading. These levels are constant. We'll discuss three indicators. One is Gann annual trend chain level, one is Gann monthly trend chain level, and one is 6 months pivot or semi-annual pivot. These three indicators have to be used only in positional trading. So people who are interested in doing positional trading, this indicator is helpful for them. And we have developed this indicator in TradingView. These are not publicly available. I mean, you have to subscribe to them. And for subscription, you can go to our website, Brahmish Tech Analysis, and you can get it done. So how to use this indicator? So first, let's discuss about Gann monthly annual trend chain level. So now this level gets activated from 1st of October 2020 of every year till the next 30th September of the next year. And this line will get generated. So basically, if you can see here 29, 30. So this level got activated from 29th. The value for this is 5102. So whenever the price comes near 5102, we can take this trade. If it goes below it, we have to take a short trade. So here the low close was 5128. Here the close was 5104. So here you can take an entry, and then you can keep a stop loss of this candle only 5028, and your first target is 3%, 5%, and 8%. So you almost got your targets here, and again you got a very good entry here, and from there the stock is just moving up, right? If you have exited here, then you cannot re-enter here. Again, you have to wait for the price to come here to re-enter. So the another indicator which we use is the semi-annual pivot. Again, the value for this is 6489. So you can see here we got a short trade here. As soon as the candle closed below it, you can take a short trade with the high of this candle as stop loss, and again 3 to 5% as your target. As soon as if your target is done here, you exit, and then you wait for the price to again come. See, it went up above here. We can go long with this low as stop loss, and from there we got another re-entry here, and from there the stock moved up very nicely. Now again the price is trading way above it, so you can now use the Gann monthly trend chain level. So for that the price is 7660. This will change every month, it will automatically change. So now again you got a short trade here which got whipsawed, you got a long trade here, again a short trade here, and from there a very good long trade. And it can be used on any instrument like bank nifty again. So like this is for bank nifty. uh, you can see here this is the annual trend chain level 4880. You got a good short trade here, whenever the price touches the line, then only you can take the trade. You got a good long trade here, from there a big gap up happened. This is your semi-annual pivot, you know. And see, like this was a whipsaw here, it went about, we went long, next day stop loss got triggered, and then we have to take a short trade. And this is your annual trend chain level. So here, before this Iran and Israel news came, it exactly made a high here. From there we had a good correction. For bank nifty, first target we keep generally 500 points, then 1000 points, and stop loss is like 108 points. And like we got a good entry here today, it just closed below it. So if it breaks uh, 48890 090, then the shorts can be taken. And similarly it can be applied on nifty also, nifty, bank nifty, any stock. So these levels will automatically generate, and you can see here the price reacts very nicely from these levels. See this big fall also somewhere near 21749, it made a low of 21777. And today the shorts were triggered. As per the yesterday we went long, which got stopped out again, and now we are a short. Let's see what happens now. And the annual trend chain level gave you entry somewhere here only, after that no entry. So this is very specific for the people who trade only in, who do positional trades, not intraday trade. And it's not a holy grail, you get stopped out multiple times at times. Like here there were multiple stop losses, very good entry here, and here like it is whipsawing here, but we got a good short trade. So this is how you can use these indicators for swing trading. So based on, if you are looking for some bigger trades for 3 to or like 1 month kind of holding, then these annual and SAP levels are useful. If you're looking for smaller trades, then monthly trend chain level will be useful. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.